Have you ever wondered that despite diet and exercise, your weighing scale doesn't move, and in fact sometimes it shows a higher scale, and you end up blaming yourself for it? Well, what if I tell you that more than your food habits, something more is at play? Your biology might be making all the difference. Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh, plastic surgeon and a wellness advocate, and in this series of Refine Your Reflection, I am going to tell you why we really gain fat and how to break that cycle so that you are working with your body, not against it. Our body don't treat all the calories the same. If you eat say rice, pasta, sugary drinks, aerated drinks, then there is a hormone which comes in play. The name of the hormone is insulin. It stores fats. As long as we are taking all these stuff which are causing the insulin rise, the fat is being stored. So what happens if you consume more of it? You feel tired, crave for that hunger, and you tend to eat more. So your biology is working against you. That means secreting insulin more by eating or drinking all those substances which create that spike. While exercise is must for maintaining longevity and health, but here is the catch. What happens is that we tend to work out more and then take a carbohydrate heavy diet. What it does is in turn fuel that insulin spike. Now fat keeps on storing, and even after working out, you're saying, "Doc, I work out regularly, I have my diet in place, but what happens is that I don't lose weight." So what actually works? Is starvation the solution? Well, no, starvation is not the solution, which has been seen in multiple studies also, that eating less also does not ensure weight loss. In fact, in most of the cases, if you lose kgs also after restricting your diet, it comes back with the vengeance. That means much more weight. So what exactly needs to be done? Focus your diet on healthy food. That can mean healthy fats, protein-rich diet, and green leafy vegetables. Now these help in reducing the insulin spike, cravings, and in turn help in long-term weight loss. My perspective as a plastic surgeon is to look at it holistically. When we are prescribing body contouring surgeries like liposuction, we use the DEAL approach. That means diet, exercise, and active lifestyle comes before liposuction. So make sure that even if you are considering liposuction or any other weight loss treatment, then obviously you have to follow a certain pattern, and in this case, diet of what you are eating is the most important. The quality of the food and from where you are getting it is also very important. To me, quality of the food and the type of the food makes all the difference in terms of longevity, in terms of health, and in terms of keeping yourself happy in all the departments. And that is what Refine Your Reflection is all about. Working towards a common goal to have it all, to establish a harmony between your mind, brain, body, and soul. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, do share it with your friends and do subscribe to the channel. We'll be coming with another video in the Refine Your Reflection series next week. Thank you for watching.